Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect BigQuery to Shopify data exports for attribution step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud Platform account. Navigate to the BigQuery console. Create a new dataset to store your Shopify data. In another tab, log into your Shopify account. Go to the Admin section and click on Settings. Select Data Export under the Analytics menu. Choose the types of data you want to export from Shopify. Configure the export settings to include essential fields for attribution, such as order ID, revenue, and customer data. Schedule the data export frequency according to your needs, like daily or weekly. Once configured, save the export settings. Copy the export link provided by Shopify. Return to BigQuery and enter the dataset you created earlier. Use the Create Table option to import data from the Shopify export link. In the Create Table dialog, select External Data Source. Paste the Shopify export link in the source field. Confirm the format of the data, usually CSV or JSON. Map the columns from the Shopify export to the fields in BigQuery. Set the appropriate data types for each field for accurate analysis. Click Create Table to finish the import process. Next, set up a scheduled query in BigQuery for ongoing data updates. Navigate to the Scheduled Queries section. Create a new scheduled query using the following SQL code to update your data regularly. Test the query to ensure it pulls the newest Shopify data correctly. Once tested, save the scheduled query. Now, you have successfully connected BigQuery to your Shopify data exports. You can use this data for advanced attribution analysis and reporting in BigQuery. Consider creating dashboards with data visualization tools to summarize your findings. Regularly monitor the data integration for any issues or updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.